Hello, my name is Jason Rose. I'm with Acc-U-Rite Tax Service, and I just want to go over some of the tax law changes that went into effect with the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. There's a number of different tax laws that impact clean energy and credits that you can potentially qualify for if you choose to utilize clean energy as part of your daily living. Let's go into some of the details. This is probably the most popular of the group, and that is windows, doors, insulation, those kind of tax credits that you can apply for. There are a lot of items that are covered under this particular tax credit. You've got insulation, you've got windows, so long as they qualify, doors, exterior doors particularly. We got air conditioners, we have water heaters, we have heat pumps, we have furnaces, we have central air, we have biomass stoves. There are a lot of items that you can purchase for your home that qualify for this tax credit. There are some limits on this. The limits run $1,200 in general as a total that you can claim in any given year. The issue that you run into is that there are smaller limits for each item. So for example, if you buy a couple of exterior doors, now you're looking at a $250 limit for the first door, a $250 limit for the second door, for a $500 limit total. Say you put in some windows, you're limited to $600. Home energy assessments, that is limited to $150 for the year. The $1,200 is the maximum limit of all of your credits combined. There is, of course, one exception to that, because as with all good tax laws, there's always exceptions. The heat pumps, the heat pump water heaters, the biomass stoves, the boilers, they do qualify for a special $2,000 tax credit, which can be used in conjunction with $1,200, so you could potentially get $3,200 total tax credit in a single year if you had just the right amount of purchases of various energy efficiency products. Now, this only applies to personal residences. You cannot use this on a second property up north, unfortunately. With rental properties, again, you can depreciate the windows so you don't get the tax credit, sorry. This is considered a non-refundable credit. So as a non-refundable credit, it means you have to have the tax on your tax return that you can subtract it from. If your tax is already down to $0 because you just have some Social Security and maybe a small pension, this tax credit is not going to benefit you. So you need to have some taxable income with some tax generated in order for that credit to be applied, because we cannot carry that forward. In conclusion, the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 is a beneficial law in terms of tax credits for your tax return. My suggestion would be, if you're looking into these, contact a tax professional, go through some of the details, see what you qualify for. It's a win-win-win scenario. You help save the climate a little bit, you help reduce your energy bill a little bit, and you help save money on your taxes. So definitely a win-win-win, at least in my book.